How's it going today, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Shaner's Mechanic Life. You know, we all hate it when you get a rock chip on your windshield, and it always ends up spreading across, and you end up having to replace the entire windshield. You know, pay full cost for the windshield, or if you're lucky enough and your insurance covers it, you're still at least paying a deductible. So I thought I'd give one of these kits a try. Kind of do-it-yourself windshield repair. This one's made by Permatex. Part number is 81546. I thought, what do you have to lose? Best case scenario, you're paying a deductible. Worst case scenario, you're paying full price. So, pick one of these cheap little kits up, give it a shot yourself, and see how it works out. Anyway, thought I'd take you with me. We'll try this one out and see how it works. Anyway, here we go. Okay, so I got this rock chip in the windshield. Let's say it measures about 3/8 of an inch. Let's try this kit out, see if it works. So I got everything from the kit laid out on the hood of the van here. And let's start with step one. So step one is you want to take this push pin, clean out any dirt or debris that's already in the chip. Wipe it with a clean cloth. That way it gives everything a good surface to bond to. And also, I'm going to lay a rag at the bottom of the windshield just to catch any runoff if there is any. So step two, take your adhesive disc, peel the white backing off. You want to place it down with the damaged part right in the middle, with this tab pointing to the top of the windshield. Slowly press it down. That way you don't get any air bubbles. Step three, peel the green backing off this pad. Step four, take your pedestal and install that on the disc, making sure you line the tabs up. Again, press all around, make sure you get a good bond. Step five, take your resin, open it up, and you want to install about 3/4 of the tube into the hole here. You want to save the rest of this for the end. Step six, you want to take your syringe, insert it all the way down into the pedestal, making sure it's in there good and tight, which it is. Step seven, take your syringe, slowly pull it up, until it's gotten into the lowest notch. Now you want to let it sit and settle for 10 minutes. That way the resin settles all the way back down in there. So after 10 minutes, you're on to step 8. So in step 8, you want to remove the syringe from the pedestal briefly. Just allow some air in. Insert it back in. And you want to lower it down to the other notch. What that does, that pushes some air in and pressurizes the resin to go into the rock chip. Now you want to let it sit here for a minimum 20 minutes. So, you know, go grab yourself a cup of coffee, have a smoke, you know, scratch whatever itches. So it said minimum 20 minutes in step 8. I gave it 30. So now we're on to step 9. What you want to do is remove the syringe from the pedestal. Grab your razor that's in the kit. Slowly work around the edge to break the seal. Now grab it by the tab and slowly peel it up. Grab a rag, wipe up any excess resin. Now step 10, take some of your leftover resin and the curing strip, drip some over the damaged area, put your curing strip on, work out any bubbles with your fingers or the razor blade, which is step 11. And then what you want to do is go park the vehicle out in direct sunlight for about half an hour, or if it's really cloudy, you might want to leave it out for a minimum of an hour. Now the last step, step 12, remove your curing strip. Give it a wipe, take your razor blade. You can scrape off any built up cured resin and slowly scrape it off. Wipe down any dirty fingerprints from doing it. Now the mark won't disappear 100%, but you know now that damaged area is not going to spread anymore. As you can see there, it did a pretty good job. All that's left is you know, a couple of teeny tiny little chips, but the vast majority of it's gone. Well, it's 3 weeks later. That stone bruise still hasn't spread at all. You know, you can see a little bit on where it was, but it's held up quite well. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this kit. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment section. Hit that like button and subscribe. I got more videos coming. Anyway, have a good night everybody, and thanks for watching.